Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you meet Facilitator eligibility and have the right role. This avoids wasted time. Once confirmed, gather ID, resume, a short organization endorsement, and 3 project links so you can upload them quickly. Make sure your Google account is active and protected with 2-step verification, and enroll in Cloud Skills Boost so your profile reflects recent activity. Then open the application portal and start the form immediately, filling contact fields and organization info first to save drafts. Next, focus on materials that show capability and impact. Write a concise facilitator statement explaining who you teach, expected outcomes, and measurable impact. Reviewers look for clarity. Once done, select 3 project samples with concrete outcomes and short demo notes so you can speak to them in interviews. Make sure to fill availability, preferred regions, and delivery format precisely. Inconsistencies slow approval. Review all fields, convert documents to PDF, and attach them before you submit the application. Finally, complete the checklist and use the preview function to confirm every attachment and field is correct. Submit and record the confirmation ID. After submission, prepare for a possible interview or demo by scheduling a mock run and testing Wi-Fi, microphone, and screen sharing. If you receive a rejection, request feedback promptly, address the cited gaps, and update your facilitator statement or samples before reapplying. A key troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, clear browser cache or switch to Chrome and retry immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.